Step into the 2012 Toyota Sienna. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value as a pre-owned model. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Toyota prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.